The characteristics of human resources are, the first one is human resources is the only live factor of production. That is, it is the only living factor of production, whereas if you consider money and machine, they are non-living factors of production. So human resource considered to be the only living factor of production. Second point, human resource is the creator of the other factors. So human is a person who is going to invest the capital. Human is a person who is going to operate the machine. Human is a person who has invented the machine. Human is a person who has invented the capital. Therefore, he is the creator of all other factors which is used in the production process. Thirdly, it is labor, that is the skill of the employee, namely labor only is being hired by the company. So a company does not hire the employee himself as a human himself. He hires only the skill, that is the labor power of the man. Fourth point, human resource exhibits innovation and creativity. So when you compare with the other resources, it's only human resources which will be able to innovate techniques and create new methods of production, whereas the other factors of production cannot do so. Fifth point, human resource is the only resource which can think, it can analyze, and then it can act upon it. That is, it can think what can be done, it can analyze the situation, and then take decisions to execute it. Next, human resources are the resources which are prone to be emotional. They have emotions. Other than that, a machine or a capital doesn't have emotion. Even when a machine gets heated up or it cannot work anymore further, it can only malfunction, it cannot show in terms of emotion, but the human resource can show in terms of emotions. Next is motivation. Motivation is very important for human resource to get the job done. Either a human resource can be motivated financially or he can be motivated non-financially. So financially, in the sense, he could have been given a bonus or he could have given incentive from the company's side. Motivation non-financially, in the sense, he could have been given a promotion, increase in his level. So this is how you can motivate an human resource and get the work done through them. Eighth point is unpredictable behavior. Since he has his own way of thinking, analyzing and interpreting the situation, his behavior cannot be predicted that he will do like this only. His behavior becomes unpredictable in certain situations. Next is, over the years what happened was human resources has gained value. The value of human resources has increased and appreciation also has increased for the human resources over the years of functioning. Human resources are the resources which can move. They are considered as movable assets. They can walk and move from one place to another on their own. Therefore, they are considered as movable assets. Lastly, human resources are very easy and efficient to work in a team. So, teamwork is possible when you include a human resource into the production process.